this is a boat. The length is considered, it is 8 meters, right? There is a man standing here. Consider this weight is like 25 kgs. This boy is weighing 25 kgs. Okay. So now consider he want to come to this corner, or otherwise consider he want to come to the midpoint. He want to travel to the midpoint. And what we are going to say that this total entire system is at rest in water, right? This is in rest. This is in rest. Now you can solve this. Find the, how you will solve? Tell me first. Find the, otherwise what will be the displacement of the boat? What will be the displacement of the boat when the man and the boy moves to the midpoint of the boat? Don't look out yesterday's question. You should not look that question. Okay. So first what we will do? So you consider that the net external force acting on this object is 0. You are not applying any force on the boat, or you are not applying any force on the boy. So you can write like this: F net is equal to 0. If this F net is equal to 0, ACOM is equal to 0. And this VCOM is constant. What does it denote? V initial is equal to V final. You understand? So how you will calculate V initial and V final? What is the initial velocity of this boy? You have to understand the formula of V vector, right? What we will tell? M1 dr1 plus m2 dr2 divided by m1 plus m2, right? So you need to understand what is V initial. So how you will write V initial? What is the V initial? M1 V1 is the initial velocity, or you can tell that initial velocity is 0 because it is at rest. So when this initial velocity is at 0, then you will tell that m1 dr1 plus m2 dr2 is equal to 0. So you will tell that these two are equal. Then write m1 dr1 is equal to m2 dr2. This is what yesterday we did, right? So now if you do in this way, will you get the answer? Yesterday what you did? Yes, he is traveling from here to this side. Okay, so this is the direction. Consider this one is positive. So if this direction is there, then it should be negative. So as a point of view from the ground, okay, he is moving positive towards half of the distance. That is dr1 is now you know m1 dr1. What is m1 dr1? The mass of the boy 25 kgs into this 4, how much, minus this x, right? This we don't know right off now. Then you write m2 d2. We consider the boat is moving in this direction. So if this is positive, this should be negative. So you consider how much, what is the boat weight? It is 40 kgs. Okay, so how will you write? 40 into minus x. Very good. Then you will implement it in this equation. V final is equal to that is 0 is equal to, because initially it is in rest, after that also it is in rest only. So the body is said to be in rest. So what we will do? What is this one? 25 into 4 minus x plus 40 into minus x. So you will take these separate terms. 25 into 4, 100 minus 25x, right? So minus 40x, which is equal to 0. So you add both of this. So 65x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 by 65. If you calculate this value 100 by 65, you will get the answer, right? (20 by 13). X is equal to 20 by 13 meters. So you get the answer in positive or negative? You have received the answer in positive. If it is a positive value, then the direction you have considered is correct. If you get the negative value, then you consider that the assigned direction which you are doing is not correct. Then you have to make it like this. If it is coming like this, if you have considered like this, I'll show that one also. You will not have the mistake, you will not do the mistakes again. Okay, let's consider that the board distance is like this. There is a boy, right? He is moving this side, and I consider that the boat is also moving in this direction. Okay, so if I solve same, V initial is equal to V final, right? So what is V initial? Which is 0. So I will write V final, where the change in velocity is m1 dr1 vector plus m2 dr2 is equal to 0. The change in velocity is 0, right? Am I right or wrong? It is not in motion. Rest position. As per the ground, it is rest. Same question. What I have done is that I just changed the direction. I am considering that it is moving in this direction x. Okay. Then what I will write? What is m1? 25 into what is this? 4. Okay. Both are in same direction. Then I will put plus x. Right. What is m2 now? This is 40. And what is x? The same positive direction. I will put x is equal to 0. Right. Now you see 100 plus 25x plus 40x is equal to 0. So what is this? 65x is equal to minus 100. So x is equal to minus 20 by 13. So as the answer is coming in minus, the direction which I considered, the direction which I defined for the new object or new for the boat is wrong. So I have to change the direction like this. The boat is only moving in this direction. Did you get it? Did you get it? Right?